You're doing well. So today our topic is how to create an email address. An email address is like your own virtual mailbox where you can receive and send messages over the internet. It's a unique combination of letter, number, and symbol that identify you and allows others to reach it electronically. Creating a new email address involves choosing a username and reflects your identity or business. So you will also need to select the domain name, which is the part that comes after at the rate symbol. So gmail.com, yahoo.com. So there are various email service providers like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook that offer free mail accounts. So to create a new mail address, you will need to visit the website of your chosen email service provider. So look for a sign up or create account button on their homepage and click on it. Fill in the requirement information such as your name, desired username, and password. So make sure to choose a strong password that combines letter, numbers, and special character to keep your account source secure. So some email provider may also ask to additional details like your phone number or an alternative email address for verification purpose. So once you will fill in all the necessary information, click on the create or sign up button to complete the process. You will usually receive a confirmation email to the address you providing during the sign up process. So open the confirmation email and click on the link or follow the instruction to verify your account. So after verifying your account, you can start using your new email so to access your email account, you will need to visit the email service provider. So access to email account, you will need to visit the service provider website and log in using your usernames and password. So once logged in, you will see your inbox, which is where incoming messages are stored. So you can compose a new email by clicking on the compose a new email button and entering the recipient email address, subject, and message. You can also attach files such as documents or images to your email if needed. When someone sends you an email, it will appear in your inbox and you will receive a notification. You can read, apply, or forward messages directly from your inbox. Email can be organized using folder to label to help you keep track of different types of messages. So many email providers offer additional features like spam filtering to keep unwanted emails out of your inbox. So you can customize your email setting to personal your experience, such as setting up and automatic signature your outgoing emails. So with a email account, typically a custom domain name that matches the name of your business. So having a business email address, professionalizing and